Hi guys, happy day of YLs. I just heard about this contest this week and I just got the N1MM log file and I just thought I'd do a quick video for anybody who still needs the file because the contest starts in a couple hours. So this is me, hello. And what we need to do is, where'd I save that? I put a link to the file on my Facebook page. So I will just download it again for you. You can see I've already downloaded it. I'm just going through the motions for you. So we download it. And then when it's ready, we're going to extract, click on it, extract to, extract all, browse to your documents, N1M logger UserDefinedContests. So you want to select this folder to extract these two. Extract. It's done. Close this. Close this. Minimize this. Go to N1MM logger. It's fine. It doesn't see the radio right now. I'm not attached. It's okay. Just getting the log file ready for when the contest starts in a couple hours. File, new login database. From the list, you will now have DOYL's OM and DOYL's YL. I'm a YL, so I chose YL. And all bands, yeah, I'm going to use 20 and 40. High power, yeah. I only do single sideband, fixed, assisted, transmitter 1, YL, data. All this is good. Okay. Now, I am in the brand new, no contacts yet, log for the day of YL's YL station. And it is just that easy. So, thanks for watching. Oh, if you could please like and subscribe and things like that. You can see I'm just getting started here. So, hopefully more ham radio content to follow. Yay!